Good morning, YouTube, or good evening, whatever you are. The reason of this video is to share an amazing experience that I've had about a month ago when I bought a washer and dryer, and it was late in the evening, and I needed a truck to pick them up and bring them home. I did not want to wait for the delivery service because it was not going to be the same day. So I googled like moving trucks, the moving truck companies online, and I came across this company. It's called Fetch Truck Rental. They are contracted with Budget, and I was able to pick up a truck without dealing with anybody. Everything is done through a smartphone, and I just thought it was amazing. So that's why I'm sharing it. I'm picking up a truck again because I have some furniture that I need to bring home, and I just thought, why not make a video about it and let people know about it. And what's great about this company, and I'm sure there's more than one company that does the same service, it's a 24-hour service, so you don't have to wait for you don't have to do it during the working hours. So it can be anytime. 2 a.m. you are moving, or you need a truck, you can use the service and pick up your truck, do everything that you need to do, and then drop it off. No office. Everything, like I said, is done through your smartphone. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how everything is gonna go. Hopefully it will benefit a lot of people. It did benefit me, and I'm using it for the second time, so I am 100% sure that you all will use it. So stay in touch. Hey guys, I just got here to the plaza where the truck is located, and as soon as I checked in, I was provided with the license plate, which is JJWX91, and it's this truck right here behind me. I will be finishing up the pickup process here on my phone. Now it's asking me to take pictures of the truck to make sure there's no damage, and if there's any damage, they're aware of it. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm already in the truck. So right after I took the pictures of the truck and I submitted them, I was able to unlock it, and there was a notification saying that the keys are in the glove box. So I got the keys, started it, and I made sure to take a picture of the dashboard just to remember the mileage and the gas level, because it has to be returned with the same gas level, otherwise they'll overcharge you. So I'm paying $19.99 for 24 hours, and I'm getting 15 miles for free. Anything beyond that, it will be 55 cents a mile. So it's definitely a great deal. So yeah, stay tuned. I will show you the return process, and I hope you guys will benefit from this video. For people that don't know about this service, I just thought it was amazing. So yeah, stay tuned. Hello. So dropped off the furniture at home. Now I'm on my way back to drop off the truck. Like I said, this is the fetch truck. I know it looks backwards on the camera, but this is the website, fetchtruck.com. That's the website where I rented it, and it's a bigger truck. And again, here it says budget. So like I said, they are contracted with them, and they have the instructions here, right here. So visit fetchtruck.com, reserve your truck, complete your fetch account. That's like when you first, the first time you rent a truck from them. Alright guys, I'll show you guys, once we get back, I'll show you guys the, it's I'll have to return it. Alright guys, we're done. So as soon as I brought it back here, I put the keys in the glove box where they were, and then he asked me to take pictures of all the sides again, and then right after that the truck got locked automatically. So yeah, we're done. It was definitely an easy experience. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos. Heading home now, and I appreciate all your support. Bye.